Welcome to Magboy Creations. I'm Mag, and today we are going to do a Friends review. This is set number 41089, Little Foal. It retails for $4.99 in the US, and it contains 43 pieces. You do get one little foal, a stable, a water trough with a few hay bales, and a few accessories. A closer look at our little foal, you can see that there is eye printing, but that just about covers it for the whole animal. We do have a mane of hair coming down from the top of the head. We have a single stud on the back in case you'd like to put your friend's figure on top. And there is a little spot right behind that, just above the tail, to place a friend's accessory. If you are familiar with the Friends series, a lot of these builds come with little bows and ribbons that you can put on your minifigures. The stable does have a few cool features to it. These doors in the front will open to keep our little foal protected and inside the stable so they don't wander off. If we rotate around and give you the 360 view, you can see on the side is our water spigot, and that's what we will use to fill our trough so the little foal can have a drink. I like the use of this fence piece in the back with a little bit of opening for the archway. Nice ambiance for the little foal to look out and be able to see things, but the fence piece prevents the foal from getting out the backside. And we can see a few accessories on this side of the stable. We have a hairbrush and a little bottle to feed our foal. And of course we can top off the whole stable with a little bit of greenery and some red flowers on the top. Bringing into the picture, we can take a look at our water trough. We have a few yellow bricks to resemble hay bales, and you can see there is plenty of room provided by these pink bricks to catch water in case our foal gets thirsty. That will just about do it for our review of this little Friends set. Please leave a thumbs up if you'd like. Feel free to share our videos. We'd like to hear your comments, and subscribe, and we'll send you more reviews. Until next time, this is Mag. Bye now.